Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to address a common issue that many WordPress users face: PHP warnings and notices. While they are not critical errors, they can clutter your website and distract from user experience. So, let's learn how to hide them effectively. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand that PHP warnings and notices are not like fatal errors that can break your site. They are often messages from the server indicating something that might need fixing, usually by developers. However, for a clean production site, it's best to hide these messages. Step 1 is to access the wp-config.php file, which is crucial for configuring your WordPress site. You can access this file in a few ways: through your hosting control panel, using an FTP client, or by installing a file manager plugin in WordPress. Let's go through these options. If you're using a hosting control panel, simply log in and navigate to the file manager. Look for the root directory of your WordPress installation, usually labeled as public_HTML or similar. If you prefer using an FTP client like FileZilla, connect to your server and locate the WordPress root folder. Lastly, if you've installed a file manager plugin, just log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the plugin interface. Step 2: navigate to the WordPress root folder. Once you've accessed the file manager, the next step is to navigate to the WordPress root folder. In this folder, look for the wp-config.php file. This is the file we'll be editing today. Step 3: edit the wp-config.php file. Right-click on the file and select Edit. If you prefer, you can also download the file to your personal computer, make the changes, and upload it back. Step 4: modify debugging settings. Now that you have the file open, look for the line that says "Here, it might be set to true." You'll want to change that to false. If you can't find it, you can add these lines to disable warnings and notices. These lines ensure that PHP warnings and notices won't display on your site. Step 5: save your changes. After making these changes, save the file. If you edited it locally, make sure to upload the modified file back to your server. Step 6: check your site. Now, let's check your site to confirm that PHP warnings and notices are hidden. Simply refresh your website, and you should no longer see those PHP warnings or notices cluttering your screen. In conclusion, hiding PHP warnings in notices is a straightforward process that can improve the user experience on your WordPress site. However, remember that developers should address these issues in their code for optimal performance. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tips, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.